Hey, what's going on guys? Tanmay for Simple Snippets, and today is a very special day because we've just crossed 20,000 subscribers on our channel. So a few days back we just crossed 20,000 subscribers, and on my Instagram and Facebook profile of Simple Snippets I posted that I will be doing a small giveaway just to thank you all, because for me 20,000 is a very huge number. I know it might sound a little less compared to other technology oriented channels, but given the fact that our channel is just about 3 years old, 20,000 is a huge number for me as an individual, and I'm really grateful for all of you guys. So this is just a thank you video and a giveaway video. But before getting into the giveaway, for those who don't know me, I'm Tanmay Sakpal. I'm the founder of Simple Snippets, and the whole idea and motto of Simple Snippets is to share tech educational videos on this channel. So I suppose we have around 300 videos as of now. So a lot of content and lots more is coming soon. Okay, so without spending any further time, let's just get into the giveaway and let me give you the details on how you can win this Simple Snippets merchandise. So let's move to the laptop screen. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is the link which I will be sharing in the video description, and you have to go to this link in order to complete the steps for the giveaway. So there is only one mandatory requirement to get into this giveaway, and that is probably you've already done, is that you have to be a subscriber of our channel. So if you can see the screen, you can see over here, you just see bonus entry for my subscribers, and you can see that there are 4 ways to enter into this competition or giveaway. So this is the title of the giveaway, that is Simple Snippets merch, and the merchandise I'll just show you in a minute. It is a t-shirt, a mug and a mouse pad, which I think is pretty cool. I'll just show you in a minute. And I'll be selecting 3 lucky winners, each of which is going to get that individual merchandise. So you can see that there are 0 entries as of now because this is the first time I'm recording this. Then there are total number of entries you can see. So this is your entries, this is total number of entries, that is how many people have entered the competition. And then you can see the number of days left. So I'm going to be running this for 5 to 6 days, and then I'll be drawing out winners. So basically this Gleam.io website helps to make such kind of competitions and to give random giveaways, So if I want to just randomly pick 3 winners, I can use this website. So it is completely unbiased and it is not in my hands. So it's a very legit giveaway. So coming to the 4 different ways, the first and the only mandatory thing is you need to be a subscriber, okay? So let me just first tell you a little bit about the terms and conditions, So when you first load this website, this is the screen that you will be seeing. And the 4 different ways you'll find out after you click on this bonus entry for subscribers. So basically every one task you do, you get 1 entry. And once you are a subscriber of our channel, then you can get 3 more entries extra, which is not mandatory, but that will increase your chance to win this competition. So just click on this bonus entry for my subscriber, and once you do that, you have to just click on this blue button, and then you will be redirected to my YouTube channel. So this is the home page, and you just have to click on subscribe and then log in with your details, and just leave this window as it is, go back to the page and click on continue. Now here comes the very important part. You just have to write your full name and your email address, and make sure you give me a legit email address because that is the only way I will contact you if you win. So don't put any rubbish email IDs. Put your email address and click on save, and that will unlock the 4 different ways. That is, the first one is you have to be a subscriber. You can see that your entry is 1 now. So you have 1 entry into the giveaway. Now the 3 different things which are not compulsory are as follows. You have to visit my Facebook page. You have to visit my Instagram page and follow it. And you have to follow my Twitter account. So each of this task will give you 1 more entry. So if you complete all these tasks, you will have 4 different entries, which means you have 4 times the chance to win the competition compared to someone who is just my subscriber. So make sure you follow and like my Facebook page, follow and like my Instagram page. And if you want, you can do the same for my Twitter account as well. I'm not really active on Twitter, but then I'm pretty active on Facebook and Instagram nowadays. So just coming to the terms and conditions, as I mentioned, you have only 1 mandatory rule. You have to be a subscriber, which gets you 1 entry. Some optional rules, that is, you have to like and follow Facebook page, like and follow Instagram page, and like and follow my Twitter page, which gives you 1 entry each. So that increases your chance to win the giveaway, as I mentioned. Some optional things, extra things I would request you to do is to share all the different links that I've been sharing, that is YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. And one very important thing to remember is that this giveaway is not international and it is only restricted to India, since majority of my target audience, that is 70% approximately, is from India. And since this is my first time that I'm doing this giveaway, So I'll be only doing it domestically, that is all over India, and not internationally. I know 30% of my subscribers are international, and don't worry guys, I'll be doing more of these giveaways in future, so stay tuned for that. And the selection is completely randomized using Gleam.io service, so it's not in my hands, it's a very legitimate giveaway. So these were the basic terms and conditions, and this is pretty easy, but make sure that even if you are my subscriber, even if you already are following Facebook page, already are following Instagram page, already are following Twitter handle, still you need to come on this link and you have to click on each of these links and complete it. And only when you see your number of entries, only then you actually get into the competition. Okay, so you must be thinking that you already are my subscriber, already are following all my social media pages, then you are already into the competition. So that's not how it works. You have to come on this link and do all these things. And once you are in, you'll see your number of entries over here and you're good to go. So coming to the winners, I will be drawing 3 random winners using this Gleam.io service after this competition is over, So you can see that it is 6 days left. So after 6 days, I'll be drawing the winners out, and mostly I'll be declaring the winners on Instagram and Facebook profile after contacting them individually. So I'll be contacting the winners via email, and only if it is a legitimate user, I'll be declaring that winner on Instagram and Facebook. So stay tuned on those social media pages. So now coming to the merchandise, the first thing is Simple Snippets branded t-shirts. So this is that black t-shirt, I suppose. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah, it's pretty cool, I have been doing giveaways for my friends just to take feedback from them how the t-shirt is and look and feel of that t-shirt. So special thanks to my very close friend Dharmil, who is starting his own fashion brand Audacity, and all these t-shirts were made possible just by him because he custom-handedly made these t-shirts for me. So he's starting off his own clothing brand Audacity, as I mentioned. I'll drop some links in the description. Probably you will not see a lot of products on his page, on his Instagram handle as of now, because he has yet to launch his clothing brand. But yeah, really thank you Dharmil, because all this giveaway of t-shirts is only possible because of you. So the second thing is Simple Snippets branded mug, in which you can drink your coffee and code all night. It's pretty cool. And the last thing is a mouse pad. I don't know on camera if you can see this, but you can check out these products on the Instagram and Facebook page. I'll drop individual images if you want to check them out. So yeah, this was about the giveaway. And one last thing that I wanted to talk about is, after getting feedback from a lot of my friends to whom I gave this Simple Snippets t-shirt, pretty much everybody were like, why don't you start off your own merchandise store for Simple Snippets, wherein you can make customized t-shirts for our users with some techie and nerdy lines, nerdy jokes, techie quotes and something like that, So I've been thinking on that, and I'm not really sure because this was just feedback from my friends, and that's a lot of friends. But then what is more important is you subscribers and your reviews. So let me know what you think about this merchandise store. Should I be doing a separate merchandise store kind of thing wherein I actually print some customized t-shirts, and probably sell it via my Instagram account, or maybe actually start an e-commerce website kind of thing. So this is something that I want to know from you guys. You can let me know in the comments, and I'll also drop a poll which you can probably see on the top right corner somewhere here or here. I don't know where exactly, but then you can vote via that poll whether you would be interested in something like this, So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Again, thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. It's a very amazing thing for me. It's really going great. Our channel is really doing very well, and lots more videos are coming soon. Lot of content is coming soon. Do share this video with your friends, and also the giveaway link if you want. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support always, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.